So look this guys, the floor has floor is shining because of this raindrops, rain interruption footage. There's one more turf in there. So many things around here. What will be the next one? No one knows what this world wants next. I don't know. And eventually I realized that how the FIFA World Cup is fixed because nowadays people consider the meaning of FIFA World Cup is fixed for uh, okay, fix it for Argentina. That's the real meaning which people have made because our Egyptian players also said that Argentina has won the World Cup because already won the World Cup, so there's no point of doing that quarter-final, semi-finals, and finals because Argentina has already won, and that's the opinion of people, and it it is still looking like that the match is fixed and Argentine players scores rapidly in just under 10 minutes and there was 3-0 score. it, it was 3-0 score, but for Egypt it was 3-0, Egypt 3 Argentina 0, but the referee didn't consider the third goal and didn't give the foul, and that's only things which is happening very wrong. So FIFA is fixed. So anyways, bye.